Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Adobe Analytics for actionable insights step by step clearly. Open your browser and navigate to the Adobe Analytics website. Log in using your Adobe ID and password. Once logged in, locate the Admin menu in the top navigation bar. Select Admin and then click on Report Suites. Create a new report suite by clicking on Add Report Suite. Enter a unique name for your report suite. Choose the relevant time zone and currency settings for your organization. Save your new report suite. Next, navigate to the Data Sources section. Click on Data Sources and then select Web Services. Now, you'll need to configure data collection. Follow the prompts to implement the JavaScript tracking code on your website. Copy the provided tracking code and paste it into the HTML of your website. Ensure the code is placed in the header section of your web pages. After implementing the tracking code, return to Adobe Analytics. Go to Components and select Metrics. Add key performance indicators that are vital for your analysis. Next, navigate to Segments and create specific audience segments based on user behavior. Define criteria such as demographics and interactions. Now, go to Reports and select Custom Reports. Create a new custom report by tailoring. Utilize visualizations to make your data easier to understand. Consider adding filters to narrow down specific datasets. Once your reports are set up, go back to the dashboard. Add widgets for quick access to important metrics. Review the configuration to ensure all settings are correct. Finally, monitor your configurations periodically for accuracy and relevancy. You're now set up for actionable insights with Adobe Analytics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.